So the new carbides came in for the sled just in time. So I was riding the sled yesterday and I came a little quick up the hill and I kind of landed on the front skis and I broke that one and that one. They both just snapped. I mean, look at that. I knew they were old skis, but I mean, they didn't last one ride. We looked on Facebook Marketplace and we actually found these, which were off a 2011 Yamaha Nitro or something like that. This spacing right here is about 3 1/4. The one that I have on there is 3 1/2. So I'm gonna try to pull those other ones off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this thing is just trashed. I need to take about 1/8 of an inch off of each side of this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. Alright, well, this isn't something I recommend doing at home. I can't find my little handheld grinding wheel, so I have this grinding wheel that's attached to this 2x4. And we just gotta take 1/8 inch off each side of this little bushing. So we're gonna try to do it with this. Alright, it's time to do the other side. This one came out pretty decent. I got the bushings ground down to fit in there. They can't go flat because of this thing, so I tried shaving out part of the ski right here. These are gonna be some slightly modified skis by the time I'm done with them. I have to go to my parents' house to get a little zip tool so I can cut deeper into this so that can sit further down, which allows this hole to line up with the bushing. And yeah, I can't do it with my skill saw. That's how I made this initial groove. But I can't go down far enough because my skill saw blade will start hitting this bolt. Kind of hectic, but I think as soon as I can cut this piece out, this ski will work. I don't know how long it'll last. I don't know how structural this little part is, but we're cutting that out of there because we just want to ride this thing. We got the trailer backed up, but this thing is so heavy. I've been waiting for a chance to use my winch. I got this winch for free and I haven't been able to use it yet because I haven't had anything to use it on. So we're gonna try to winch the snowmobile up onto the trailer. Lost the front ski a little bit. See if we can tuck by the tree. Look at that, we got 2 skis, finally. I fixed this one yesterday. Let's see if she starts in 10-degree weather. warmers up a little bit. It's cold. Holy heckin'. Alright. Let's do a speed run there, speed run back, and we'll go up to the house. Come from over there. Who put this tree here? Alright, we're going that way, then up the field. Come on, clutch, you gotta keep up. Seemed like she was flopping a lot.